Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. I just quickly wanted to show you guys this very exciting piece of information that I found out today. And I'm just going to read you right here, as stated by Mr. Mueller. Feeling very excited for fintech ideas to hear Zach from Pundi X Labs and Ant Financial being interviewed by CNBC. Should be very insightful for the participants from the top US financial institutions on how fast the road is changing and embracing the trust tech, new tech biz, which he's referring to blockchain and things like that. And now this is just going to be extremely exciting. Look, on Thursday, March 28th, at from 8:20 to 10 a.m., they're going to be interviewing Zach Chia from Pundi X, as you can see right there. And guys, this is actually very exciting news, just because the fact that they're going to be on CNBC, a lot of people are going to be watching this, so the exposure that Pundi X is going to get from this is going to be tremendous. Now, a lot of people are speculating that there may be a pump due to these news. However, in my opinion, if there is a pump, that is nice, but I kind of want to see organic growth rather than just a pump. You know what I mean? I want to see the price move up and continue moving up in an organic and fashionable manner. That way, it actually stays there and holds its new price target or whatever. But as you can see, I just wanted to show you guys this very quickly, because as soon as I read this, I was very amazed myself and very excited, because I definitely am going to be tuning in to CNBC on Thursday, and I might actually do a live stream of the interview. So if you guys would like me to do that, leave it in the comments below and let me know, and I'll get that out for you guys that day. But anyways, that pretty much covers it for this video. I was just too excited, so definitely wanted to share this with you guys. But I'll see you guys on the next one.